Hello, I'm Spongy. Today I'll be reviewing my P.698 airsoft pistol. It's a single shotgun and this is the box it comes in. Yeah, it's a nice box, and then inside it's just the gun, and there was a little pack of BB pellets there. I haven't used them because they're not that good quality. So yeah, it's 150 FPS. It's made of full plastic. It's manufactured by CYMA, that's it. And it came with one magazine that holds 9 rounds. I'll just show you that now. This is how to load the magazine. It's very simple. All you do is you pull this spring down and it locks into position, and you just pick up a pellet, drop it in, and it will fall down into it. Sometimes you miss, but that's it. You can just release the spring, or you can insert it into the gun. You'll hear it automatically release. See? Yeah, just go on to the features of the gun now. On both sides it's got a nice firm grip for your thumb to go. It has 3 bits, like you pull the magazine out, it's only 2, but it's like finger grips. So it's quite good. And the magazine release is that little button, you just push it. And quite a noisy gun for only 150 FPS. Yeah, I think that's about it. Now I'll just go to... This is from about 8 feet away.